bin unique across the warehouse?
No, there is no way of doing. I mean, unique across the warehouse.
Yeah.
It's already unique, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, I know you're talking with a single warehouse, it's already unique, but I meant
Mm,
multiple warehouse.
for all the warehouse. No, no, no. Okay, it's not possible. You know, by the standard. We can see
Okay,
if we can get some bodies or some user exits to achieve that, but it's not possible.
sure. Thank you.
Let's see, 38004. I mean, for time being, we'll not worry about, uh, the naming or the structure details. We can mask change them only, just for the ease of creation. It will help us. Yeah. Um, 8004. Oops. 8004 is one should be 8005. So you can see, in this one, it's going into aisle stack level. There is another possibility, bin depth and division, bin division. So bin, you can enter, how much deep the bin is. That means it's 1 deep or 5 deep, and how many divisions are there in that particular bin. That also you can do. So it all depends on how the warehouse is giving you what number ranges they are kind of having for the warehouse. 8006. I'm just copying the standard ones, just to save time. Okay, so should be the last one. Okay, 23456. Let me save it. Okay, let's get the bins created. The bin, whatever data they have, we can mass change it for our scenarios. But at least we'll have a lot of bins. Mm, so we created for one. Let me check it